Hello there. I'm doing this video just to specifically show how fast or the speed at which I can solve a standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I haven't actually posted any videos recently, which is why I'm doing this video, just to make it easier for those whom this video is specifically intended to. The 3x3 cube, as I show here, is not my best cube actually, as I hold national records in two other puzzles, which are the Megaminx. I have it here, right here, as you can see, and the Rubik's Magic, which I don't have with me at the moment. So basically I'll be doing two solves with the standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so it's just easier to comprehend and to get the idea across. And I'll be scrambling or jumbling, as you can see, with the cube with a computer generated scramble or random sequence of moves. So I'll be doing the solves using the scrambles from this generator. As you can see, if I press the timer and whenever it stops, a new scramble will be generated for me to solve, and it's completely random. And it's a 25 sequence scramble. So I'll be clearing my times and starting with the first solve now. So as you can see, the cube is completely solved, and the timing was 15 seconds and 61 milliseconds. So I'm doing another solve, just you can see the cube is solved again, and the timing this time is 15 seconds and 84 milliseconds. So the two times, as you can see, I'm not sure if the camera can focus, but as you can see they're roughly very similar, and this is what I average actually, not too high or not too low. So thanks for watching.